Meaning of foregather.
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 Foregather. Foregather means to come together or assemble in a group. It can also refer to a gathering or meeting of people for a specific purpose. When individuals foregather, they join together in an organized fashion and share ideas or engage in activities. This can happen in various settings such as social events, business meetings, or political rallies. Foregathering provides an opportunity for people to network, bond, or collaborate towards a common goal. Ultimately, the result is a sense of unity and community among those who participated in the foregathering.